In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find a list of all extensions added to your Twitch account straight from your dashboard. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open your Twitch account. So I'll go ahead and log into mine. I'm already logged in here. Then click on your profile icon and go to create a dashboard. Now from this, go ahead and look for extensions, and if you click on this, here we have extensions that we can add on our account. From this list, to find the already added extensions, just go on top here and look for my extensions. If you click on my extensions, here you'll be able to see all the extensions that have been installed on your Twitch account. As you can see, I have already 2 extensions added, that is StreamSync and TLDR, and they are already active. So that's how you can find a list of all extensions added to your Twitch account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.